What if I told you that every shirt you're wearing today quietly consumed more water than one person drinks an entire year? That is not because fashion is careless, it's because textile dyeing is fundamentally broken. To dye just 1 kilogram of fabric, the industry uses 100 to 150 liters of water and contributes nearly 20% of the global industrial wastewater. This problem is accelerating. Fast fashion has doubled global garment production. Brands now launch collections weekly, forcing the factories to dye more often, faster, and under tight margins. In India, over 280 dye houses have shut down due to pollution violations. Water costs are up more than 40%, and zero liquid discharge systems are now mandatory. But ZLD isn't a solution for factories, it's a financial penalty. Rupees 1 to 2.5 crores in upfront capex and rupees 5 to 10 lakh every month in operating costs. So factories are trapped, lose money to comply or lose business by not complying. But what if dyeing never needed water in the first place? Sonodyne replaces water-based dyeing with ultrasonic energy and nanopigments. Instead of heating massive water baths to 50 to 80 degrees Celsius, ultrasonic cavitation opens the micropores in fabric fibers, allowing the pigments to embed directly. Traditional dyeing waste is energy, heating, pumping, treating, and recycling water. Sonodyne eliminates those steps. As a result, total energy consumed per kilogram of fabric is lower. The system runs in a closed loop, zero wastewater, lower thermal load, and faster cycle times. And this isn't experimental. Ultrasonic systems are already industrially proven, and our process has been independently validated at export grade quality. To be clear, we are pre pilot but not pre validation. Our process has been independently validated for color accuracy, penetration, and uniformity under export grade requirements. Next step is deploying the controlled pilots inside operating dye houses to validate the throughput and reliability at scale.
The impact only scales, but the economics are undeniable. For factories, Sonodyne reduces dyeing cost from Rs 15 per kilogram to about Rs 5.5, saving Rs 9 to 10 lakh per machine annually. That delivers payback in just 18 to 22 months, even before accounting for avoided ZLD investments. Our business model is designed for scale. We sell machines at Rs 15 to 18 lakh with around 45% gross margins. We generate recurring revenue from nanopigments and AMC, about Rs 4 lakh per machine annually at 60 to 70% margins. For SMEs, our pay per kg model removes upfront capex and generates Rs 30,000 to 60,000 in steady monthly revenue. At under 1% market penetration, this becomes Rs 55 to 65 crore annual business within 3 years. Our go-to-market strategy is clustering. We enter one dyeing cluster, prove ROI, and leverage brand equity. Fast fashion brands can't afford compliance disruptions. Once they endorse Sonodyne, adoption spreads rapidly. In India, factories don't copy presentations, they copy their needs. Waterless dyeing has existed in labs for years, but it hasn't scaled because solutions weren't built for factory realities. They disrupted throughput, required greenfield setups, or increased costs. Sonodyne is different because we design around existing dye lines, factory economics, and brand compliance, not just lab efficiency. A quick word on execution. Advika, BTech in computer science, drives analytics and business strategy, translating factory economics into scalable decisions. Srijata, BTech in computer science, leads product execution and deployment, converting technical validation into factory-ready systems. Debarvita, BCom, anchors financial discipline and unit economics, ensuring margins and scalability are built in from day one. Asta, HR, leads partnerships and on-ground adoption, working directly with factories and stakeholders. Together, we cover technology, finance, operations, and adoption, exactly what this business needs to scale. Sonodyne directly advances UN SDG 6, which is clean water, SDG 9, which is industry and innovation, SDG 12, which is responsible consumption, and SDG 13, which is climate action, by making sustainability operationally and financially viable. Fast fashion isn't slowing down, water availability is. Sonodyne lets the textile industry scale without crossing a hard environmental limit while protecting margins.